This is a presentation showing you how to add audio to a PowerPoint. You may have some assignments where it'd be easier to actually create a presentation and add your audio so you don't have to be present for actually presenting, or a teacher may ask you to create some kind of audio recording that has a background slide or a picture, and PowerPoint will allow you to do that. So here are the steps. To begin with, you actually need to make sure that your PowerPoint is created, that all your slides are done, that all your information is already on your PowerPoint presentation. Another thing you want to do is write a script so you know what you are going to say, and this also will help you as you're doing recording to stay focused and to make sure you're within your time limitations. You also want to make sure to practice. Many times we talk a lot faster than we think, so don't just write the script, but actually practice it and time yourself. And the other thing is you want to actually acquire a microphone. A lot of computers have a microphone that's already built in. However, it also picks up a lot of background noises, so by actually having a microphone connected to your computer, this will help the PowerPoint presentation to actually pick up on your voice a little bit better. So how you add in the audio? Well, once your PowerPoint is completed, you want to have it open. So I'm using this PowerPoint right now in front of me as an example. You'll go up here and click on the tab that says Slideshow, and there's an option right here that says Slide or Record Slide Showing. Click on this. You want to start from the beginning, or you can start from the current slide. If you have a longer PowerPoint and you only want one slide with audio, that's fine. But if you're doing a longer presentation, then you want to start from the very beginning. So I'm going to click on Start from the Beginning. This will open up a new window. Yes, I want it to record the slide animation and timing as well as my narrations as I'm going through the PowerPoint. Click on Start Recording. Once you have clicked on Start Recording, it will open up your presentation or your PowerPoint into presentation mode. You'll notice at the top of the screen there is a little gray box that appears that says Recording. This is actually recording what I'm saying right now as well as how many seconds I'm spending on each slide. You can advance through your slide, reading the information that's in front of you by just simply hitting the space bar and continuing to talk and mention the stuff that's on there. When you make it to your final slide, you just simply have to hit the space bar, and this will exit you out of the recording session of your PowerPoint. You will notice when your presentation goes back to the PowerPoint editing screen that now on your slides there is a little speaker. This means that your audio recording has begun or has shown up on your PowerPoint. So your next step in adding your audio is to finish things up. When you're done, you can review your work by simply going up and beginning your slideshow from the beginning. You can also click on this little speaker and hit play, and you can listen to your audio recording on your PowerPoint presentation. If you want to remove any of your audio recording, you just simply have to click on that speaker and then hit backspace, and it will take your recording off of your PowerPoint. You can do that on each individual slide, or if it's just one single slide that you want to take the audio recording off of, you can do that as well. So to save your PowerPoint, if you want to keep that, you just go up and hit File and then Save, and it will keep all of your recording on here. You'll notice it's still here. However, you may have a teacher that wants you to present this and use it as a video recording, and that's something that we do in some of our classes here at school. So you'll want to actually convert it from an actual PowerPoint to a MP3 or MP4. To do that, you'll go up here to File, Save As, find your U drive, and then here where it says Save As Type, instead of it being PowerPoint, you're going to change it to say an MPEG-4 video and hit Save. This is going to take a little while. You can notice down here that there's a little bar that's starting to show up because it's going to convert our PowerPoint into a video instead. Once your file has been converted to an MP4, you can actually find it. It will not be obviously here on the screen because this is still your PowerPoint. So if I go back to my U drive, I can find it right here. Here's that same PowerPoint presentation, adding audio to a PowerPoint, but you notice it now says MP4 file. So my PowerPoint right here is now a video. And here is my presentation that I created on PowerPoint, but now as a video. You can't actually hear the audio version of it because the audio is, you don't have access to my speakers right now. But trust me, it'll work. If you need help learning how to do this yourself or struggling to follow the steps in this presentation, please do not hesitate to come find me and ask for assistance.